Hello, welcome to this presentation on the midpoint formula. This is one of the easiest formulas you'll have in your pre-algebra and algebra classes, and you'll be confronted with it for quite some time. So it's one to get used to. It's also an easy one to get used to. Okay, so the formula is when you have two ordered pairs, add your x's together, divide by 2. For your y's, you add your y's together, divide by 2. Okay, we're going to find three midpoints. We have a green pair over here in quadrant 2 and quadrant 1. I have a black pair, and then in quadrant 4 and on the x-axis I have one in red. We're going to start with the green pair. Got the points plotted out here. So our x values are -7 and -3. We're going to add those together. That's a -10. And then we're going to divide that by 2. So that's -5. And then for our y values is 8 and 4. Add those 12. Divide by 2. That's 6. So the midpoint of our green points over here is -5 and 6. Let's see if this works out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And up 6. Boom. There we go. Nailed it. Let's do the line in quadrant 1. Got a point of 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Over here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 6. Add your x's. 1 plus 7 is 8. Divide by 2. Get a 4. Add your y's, also equal 8. Divide by 2, and get a 4. So our midpoint is 4 and 4. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Got it. And now for our last example. Let's do our red section down here. See, we have an x-intercept here. That's going to be 8 and 0. And then we got one down in quadrant 4 is 1, 2, 3, +3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. Let's add our x values. 8 plus 3 is 11, divided by 2. General rules, if it's not an even number in your numerator, you just leave it in that form. So our x value of our x for the midpoint is 11 over 2, and then for our y's, -5 plus 0, well, that's going to be -5 over 2. Got an odd number in the numerator, so we just leave it in that form. We could make the 11 over 2 5.5. We could make the -5 over 2 -2 1/2. We'll just leave it like that. And let's check out, see if we got a good answer. So we got 11 over 2, which we said was 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go right around here. And then down to 2.5, which was right about there. Third example works as well. As you can see, this is an easy formula. The thing that young kids need to watch out for is making an error when you're adding your numbers, and then if you're dividing by a negative. I mean, if your number in the numerator is a negative, you divide by 2, then the point is negative. That's the two errors I see kids make. So just watch that, watch your integer work, and watch your negative sign. I think you'll do fine. Good luck with your midpoint.